Welcome to our Michael's video channel.
Well, we're getting ready to go away again for another scrumptious weekend to Thirsk in the caravan. So we've seen the weather and it's going to be scorchio. So we've been and bought a barbecue. It came from Go Outdoors and it was about 24 quid. Well, it was 24 quid. That's with the discount card anyway. So let's have a look. Right. It's nice and shiny. It opens out somehow. Flicks into the little hole there. And oh wow, pretty cool. Flies on my legs. So we have instructions. I don't normally adhere to them. Legs. Pop them down there for now. And these are the one will be for going underneath, so the coals can sit on. The one will be for going on the top. So it's quite a big area, isn't it? Happy. Nuts and bolts. Instructions. Let's see instructions. I'm sure we can cope without the instructions. Oh, I don't know what that bit's for though. Yeah, that looks good. So, where do you think that goes on the outside? I'm sure we should have put the legs on first. Right. Get these up for now. It's a bit warm with this hat on, but the sun's in my eyes. I think that's plenty of room to do a little barbecue for two of us. No problem at all. I'll take up one side and a half, and Brenda can just have this little half for. She's only little, she doesn't need much really, does she? Alright, we're going to put the legs on now. They're going, well, all sides have got three on, but it's the opposite side to where the handle goes in. And you can see this one has got holes for the handle. So let's pop the 3 bolts in. Oh, this one's fiddly because it's very close to the edge. I do tend to make a lot of these noises when I'm doing anything. Like, oh. Right, finger tight. All done. Little screwdriver. Didn't quite get the right screwdriver, did it? Flip it over, do the same again. This is probably the easy way to do it. Oh, by the way, we just bought this as well. It's a new 51 litre water hog, I believe they call them. Anyway, I got the other side on, so I just Forgot to press the record button basically. But it was the same thing. Let's get them nice and tight. I'm probably going to have to nip it with some pliers to get them nice and tight. This is just to show you really what it's going to look like. Right, that's that side. And now, whether you can see inside there, oh, it's tightened in. Oh, it works. So now, it is time for the handle. There's the handle, he says. There it is. Now, I don't know why, there's probably a reason why, but it's come with 2 different size bolts. Very odd. Same heads. Oh no, they're even different heads. I'm probably going to need to go and get a Phillips screwdriver now. Strange. Strange things. Very good. You can't see what's going on here, but basically I'm just fastening a nut onto a bolt. I'd have thought there'd have been some washers with it, but there ain't. As suspected, that one fell out. Should have done that way, you can see it now. It's the finest top quality product again. Ah, now how do I screw that on there? It was supposed to come go the other way. It's not what it says on the picture. I probably should have used a bigger table. But that's how it goes, that's how it lays. So you've got the legs on one side, you've got the handle on the other side, which keeps them level. You put the inner grills in, which takes the coal, or whatever you're using. Ta-da! Oh, by the way, I was telling you about this new water hog that we bought. Yeah, water hog. £39 from Go Outdoors as well. It's a big old everything when it's full. But I'm sure I'm big and strong enough to do it. Anyway, that's the lot. When you're finished, I'm guessing you have to take these out. Slip them in like that. Well, I'll let you know how we get on with it when we go to Thirsk at the weekend. Catch you next time.
To subscribe to the Silver Fox.
I'm the best, aren't I, Mum?
Oh, it's my best son.
Husband?
Don't forget, it's free to subscribe. I'll catch you next time.